Let's keep going. So that's the hair, the outside is hair follicle, and inside is the hair. And your hair grow. Other accessory organs, we're going to talk about the sebaceous gland. Sebaceous gland is an oil gland. It's a holocrine gland, so it produces oil and also produce the dead cells come out. So it's a dirty gland. Because of that, if you don't wash your hair frequently, it smells very badly. Its function is lubricate the skin and also provide a waterproofing layer because it produces oil. In some animals, some birds, you found they can dive into the sea, catch the fish, and come out, they're still dry because they have pretty well developed sebaceous gland. And that's the hair, we cut it, the cross section, that's the hair, and that's the sebaceous gland. They're always next to the hair. And the sebaceous gland produce oil. When they prepare the slice, they use alcohol to wash out the extra dye. And alcohol wash out the oil as well. So they see a lot of empty bubbles. And that's because they store oil. So if I give you a slice, you found, okay, there's the hair, and you see a lot of empty bubble right next to the hair, and this must be the oil, so this must be the sebaceous gland. That's how you identify it. Next one, sweat gland. We have two kinds of sweat gland, merocrine and apocrine. Let's look at the merocrine first. The merocrine gland is the one when you were a baby, you have the merocrine. It covers your whole body, and it produces sweat. So the sweat is mainly water with a little bit of salt. So why did it cover your baby? When you go to the puberty, this gland mature. It's called the apocrine. So apocrine is the funky gland. It needs sex hormone to trigger its mature. So it's after puberty. They're located in the armpit, axilla, in the groin area. So that's the apocrine gland. So they have smell. So after you exercise, if you don't take a shower, you're gonna smell badly. That's because of this one. And that's your skin model: epidermis, dermis, subcutaneous area, also called the hypodermis. Let's look at these two sweat glands. So that's the merocrine sweat glands, produce sweat only, and the apocrine usually bigger. So they have a bigger body. That's the apocrine sweat gland. And next one, nail. So all you need to know is nail is made of keratin. It's keratinized cells. It's an accessory structure. And let's look at your skin when they damage and repair. So the skin cells are the one they do the mitosis all the time. So if you damage your skin, and they will recover. So first they will have inflammation, and that's the stage. They're gonna make more blood flow there, and more white blood cell will go to there to attack the bacteria. Then they will form a scab, and like a layer it cover it, and beneath it you can have cell division. And take about a few days to a few weeks. Eventually you form the scar. And the scar do exactly the same function as your skin, so it will protect you. So these are the 4 stages. So first, inflammation, and it will start to recover. And when they recover, they put more fibroblasts, so they have more scar tissue, more fiber there. And that's why your recovered skin looks a little bit different. But functionally, they're as good as the old one, if it's not better. And let's look at the burn. So we have 3 different degrees of burn. And from the 1st degree to the 2nd degree to the 3rd degree. And that's the worst one. But the 3rd degree is painless. So the most painful burn is the 2nd degree burn. It damages a lot of nerve. And when you go to the 3rd degree, it's painless because all the nerves have been damaged. So even though that's the most dangerous one, it's actually the painless, no sensation at all. And this part tell you when you're getting old, skin cells also getting old. So they recover slowly repair, and also have more wrinkle. So this part, it tell you your skin integumentary system work with pretty much every other systems. So let's quickly go over them. Like this one, it tell you your skin produce vitamin D3, and vitamin D3 help the calcium absorption. So it turned out it help your bone, because in your bone is mainly the calcium. And also your skin help your skeletal system produce the facial expression. And also your skin is a big sensor, somatosensory. So when we talk about the nervous system, we'll talk about the skin as well. And your skin produces the vitamin D3, and it's a precursor for some hormones, so it helps your endocrine system. And your skin, in the dermis layer, you have capillary, so it helps the cardiovascular system. In the dermis layer, they also have the lymphatic vessels, so they help to define pathogen. And they also, the skin is a big mechanical barrier to protect you, so it also helps the lymphatic system. So in your skin, your nasal cavity, you have the hairs to filter your dirty air, so it helps your respiratory system. And your skin produces vitamin D3, so this vitamin D3 will go to your digestive system, help you to absorb calcium, so it also works with the digestive system. Your skin also helps your renal system, because your renal system regulates your water reabsorption. And it turns out your skin also sweats, so it helps your renal system. So it turns out your skin pretty much helps your every system in your body. So your skin is the biggest organ and help you to maintain homeostasis. So when your body temperature increase or decrease, your skin can sweat or cause the vasoconstriction to maintain your body temperature. So your skin is the biggest organ in your body. It weighs about 2 kilograms, and its total surface area is 2 meter by 2 meters square. It's a lot of function.